lovely ladies to day 10. Today I thought we'd work a bit on our lips. A lot of people find as they age we get these lines around our lips, or if we've smoked or continue smoking, you're going to get these lines, so this really helps with them. But we'll get to there eventually. We will begin with breathing to begin with. And while we're breathing, we're just going to do our swan neck today. So our swan neck is where we take the head to the right and drop the right ear to the right shoulder. So we're stretching down our neck and relaxing our neck. So when you're ready, sitting up tall in your chair, posture is good. Take your right ear round to the right shoulder, drop it down, and just relax the left shoulder down. You'll feel that stretch up the left side of your neck. Just concentrate on your breath. Take this time for you to relax. And slowly bring the head back up, back to center. Take it round to the left. Drop the left ear to the left shoulder. Relax the right shoulder down so you feel the stretch. And then slowly bring it back to center and round. Okay, so we're going to begin on our forehead. So we're going to do our eyelines. So you start with your fingers at the top and just bring them down so that they're above your eyebrows. Then you're going to take your thumb under your eyes. And we make the O with our, and open our eyes wide, and we're going to hold it for 10. So you're using this finger on top as resistant to keep it down, and as your eyes try and push up, then you're working this muscle obviously, so this is good for hooded eyes. So when you're ready, opening the eyes wide and holding for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now obviously if you need to blink in between you can, and just go back to opening them wide. Also make sure you're not holding your shoulders up here. Try and keep them relaxed down. I'm going to do that once again, bringing the fingers down, placing them above the eyebrows, then opening the eyes wide, make an O shape with your mouth, and holding for 10. And relax. We're going to take our fingers to the center of our forehead and just sweep out. So just sweeping away any tension that may be there. And then bringing the hands down. Now we're going to work a little bit more on our eyes. We're going to do our V's. So this is for the bottom area really. And if you remember, we place our fingers in the inside and the outside, holding the skin. And then we're gazing up, but trying not to take your forehead. You don't really want to take your forehead up. Try and relax your forehead and then only take the eyes up. And then you're going to squint as if you're bringing the bottom lid up to join the top. And you'll feel that little pulse. We're going to hold the pulse for 3 seconds at a time. So when you're ready, gazing up, squinting for 1, 2, 3, relax. Again, 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Again, squinting. 1, 2, 3. And again. 1, 2, 3. And relax. Now, you may not get much of a pulse there. Some people don't always to begin with, but the more you do it, the more you will find that muscle will strengthen and you'll feel it. But as long as you're keeping that gaze up and feeling as if you're bringing that lower eyelid up. I know it's quite difficult to do to begin with, but you will get the hang of it. And then we're going to bring our ring finger and then tap round in circles around our eyes. So we always use our ring finger round our eyes because we tend to be lighter with our ring finger. So when you're putting your eye cream on, make sure that you're just being light and not dragging the skin. You just want to even tap your cream in like this. And as I say, it's a good idea to keep it in the fridge so it's nice and cooling on your skin. And then bring your fingers into the inner corner and just sweep out and away. This helps just to drain any fluid that settles there. And then coming down to the cheek area before we go on to our lips. So we're going to do our whipping, if you remember. You're going to hold your cheek down and then go along the cheekbone just by whipping. And you'll see my nice rosy cheek now, and we'll go on to the other side. You're giving your arms a good workout here too. So whipping along that cheekbone. And then we've got nice rosy cheeks now. So now we'll come to our lips. So we're going to begin by squeezing along the lips, which helps to work into the muscle. So when you're ready, finger and thumb, just pushing down and lifting. And work it kind of into the cheek as well. And then bring the hands down. Now we're going to work on the little bow shape of our lips. This helps to define it. So you place your finger in the middle bit and then a thumb and your other finger at the outer side of it, and you just squeeze it in and release. So you're just working up towards your nose and then come back down to the lips and work up again. Just squeeze, release, squeeze, release. So just working along that little bow bit. So just placing the middle finger in there, squeeze. And I have noticed, I've been doing this one, I have noticed it has really helped define that area. When I'm putting on my lip liner, I can see that it's much more of a shape now than it was. So it does work. if you stay dedicated and keep doing it like anything else, it takes dedication and it takes you to bring it into your daily practice. And last time, squeeze, release, just working your way up. Then we're going to take our hand, and if you remember as a child, if you ever played cowboys and Indians and you did the oh, we don't need to make the sound, but you're going to make that sort of motion of and stop, and you will feel your lips tingling now. So we're going to use our tongue now to work from the inside out around our lips. So what you want to do is you want to take your tongue right in behind your lips. You're going to run it round in circular motion 6 times in one direction and 6 times in the other direction. But you don't want to take it right down to your gum line. You want to have it right in behind your lips. If you can see what I'm doing, so really have it in behind your lips, and this works from the inside out really. So when you're ready, taking your tongue, and we're going to go 6 in one direction and 6 in the other. You're really going to feel this on your jaw as well. This will be working the jaw area as well because we're using the tongue and your neck. So when you're ready, and the opposite direction. And relax, so you will feel that on your jaw, perhaps in your neck as well. Then we're just going to use our ring fingers again, and normally what I do if I have a bit of eye cream left over is go around my lips in little circular motions. So we're just going to massage. If you bring your lips around your teeth while you do it so that the skin is tight, and then we're going to massage around our lips. And obviously you can look in the mirror, you can work on areas where you want to work more on, and whether it be the sides or whether you feel you need more up here, you can massage that area a little bit more. Now we're just going to do the whipping now on our neck area. So just holding the neck down, and you want to take your jaw up towards the ceiling, and then you're using these 2 fingers again just to whip along the jawline and neck. We'll go to the opposite side. And relax. So your neck should feel nice and warm and glowing now. Your whole face should. So that's today done. So that's a good ones, or good ones for the lips. If you find that's an area you want to work on, you know, you could do those just a few extra times through the day to help with your lip area. And we will finish now with relaxing our affirmation as well. So closing the eyes down, becoming aware of your breath. Relaxing the forehead, letting your eyes rest into your skull, relaxing the jaw, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears, letting your arms just rest heavy on your lap. And our affirmation for today, repeating 3 times with intent and power and belief, is I am worthy. And when you're ready, you can slowly open the eyes. So that's today, another day done. So well done. Keep up the dedication, and I'll see you for another day tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your evening or the rest of your morning, your day, and I'll see you soon.